got done filming me cleaning the bathroom, and that took forever. So this is all dirty clothes from the bathroom, and then I changed out the shower liner in the bathroom. So throwing this away. I'm throwing the dirty clothes in the laundry room. Whew. And now I'm gonna rest a minute. Hello guys, welcome back. It's the next day. I'm currently have a grocery order that I'm putting up, and then I'm gonna clean up a little bit before it gets dark, or I may wait till it gets dark. I'm not sure. Do like a nighttime cleaning routine video. I have toothpaste on my shirt, but if you hear the kids, that's because they're on the porch playing. My son and his friends yesterday, and I didn't finish the video. It took way longer than I had expected, just cleaning and filming, well, just recording me cleaning the bathroom upstairs. So I didn't get to finish that video. Let's see. I got some Healthy Life bread, just 35 calories. I got whole wheat and white. Actually, this is the substitute because I wanted the honey wheat, but they were out. And then I just put up some Sunkissed, regular Sunkissed, and then some Diet Sunkissed. Two of these pizzas. I got some Cottonelle flushable wipes, some wheat thins. I got ranch and a hint of salt. Skewers. I got these to make some s'mores. And then I also got 2 of our favorite lemonades. It's the Simply lemonade brand. I got some tuna. I got some more tuna back there. I got some more wheat thins. I got some hamburger meat. I got some bananas. 2 things of salad. Some Hershey's milk chocolate for the s'mores. Marshmallows for the s'mores. I got an egg tray for deviled eggs. I got some asparagus spears. Some mini candy bars, mustard, tomato soup. I got some Oxy for my carpet shampooer. See how this Febreze Auto air fresheners. Let me smell these. I haven't smelled this one. It smells good. Some Viva paper towels. I really like these. My boyfriend buys these. I always buy the cheap brand, Great Value, or I'll buy the Sparkle. These are the best in my opinion. They're better than Bounty. That's the only top name brand that I can think of, but they're better than those. I like these a lot. They feel like like cloth, really. You can just use one and it'll clean, wipe off a lot. So bought those. They're high, it's $10, but I get 6 double rows. Anyways, I got some Cheez-Its, crackers. I got some russet and asparagus. I got that from my boyfriend. I got some pizza rolls. Let's see what else we got down here. Oh, I got me a liquid eyeliner, just the cheap e.l.f. liquid eyeliner, it's jet black. Egg salad, some eggs, some greens, collard greens, the Glory brand. Got some gum for work, some brats to put on the grill, smoked deli ham. Is this the applewood kind? I don't think it is, but the applewood kind is really good. But this, I've been buying this here lately. It's really good. Is this the same one? Yeah, this is really good. And you've already seen the wet wipes. Some more greens, some boiled eggs, just because they're already boiled, I don't have to peel them. Some Lunchables for my son, some chocolate milk. Don't mind the base or the apple juices back there. I got some of these for my son, just for a snack. Graham crackers for the s'mores. We got hot dog buns for the brats, and some Smucker's grape and peanut butter jelly stripes. My son really likes this. That's it. Now I'm going to put everything up really quick. Okay, so I got everything put up. Now I'm going to tidy up this kitchen, wash these dishes, clean the counters off, sweep and mop.
You know that I'm the queen of overthinking. It's like we're done before we even started. So if this is the end now, baby, know that I gave it my all. I believe in us, I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us, please don't give up on me. At least give me a try.
Bought this Mrs. Meyer's, and it's called the lemon verbena. It smells okay. I don't really like this one, but that honeysuckle we both like. I wanted to try the I can't think of what it's called, but it's like a granite cleaner for like the granite countertops. It's like really popular, but I couldn't find. Well, I seen some at Walmart whenever I was doing my grocery pickup order one day. But then I got to reading the comments, and some people said that to not use it. But I'm looking for a granite cleaner because I would like to keep my granite countertops looking like they're supposed to. If you're gonna film early in the morning, that way you still have sunlight, and then you can go ahead and get your video finished, and it won't take all day.
I am picturing the words in my mind. I cannot stand losing you. No, I will fight, 'cause I believe in us. I won't give up on you. I will be holding on. the best thing.
I've been trying my best not to think about you, but you're stuck in my mind. I've been hypnotized by you. Hey, all the suffering and pain got me feeling so blue. Cause when it was us, I was never enough. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, pushing me down instead of pulling me up. So tell me what I'm supposed to do just to be alright. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, yeah. I've been worrying about my mental health, cause when I'm alone, I keep checking my phone, yeah. Seeing all these people, having someone to lean on, while I don't. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, pushing me down instead of pulling me up. So tell me what I'm supposed to do just to be alright. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, yeah. I was messed up, pushing me down instead of pulling me up. So tell me what I'm supposed to do.
Kitchen's clean. They'll have a pot that's in there soaking, but the kitchen looks good.